Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you a messy house tour and cleaning video. I haven't done one of those in quite a while now. Yesterday was my birthday and we had a wonderful day. It was so much fun. The kids made me a cake, which was really nice, and it actually came out really good. I'll leave a link above if you guys want to see my birthday vlog, but there's a lot of cleanup to do today. It's after 10 o'clock in the morning. I haven't even made my bed yet. I actually wanted to edit and upload and share with you guys the birthday vlog this morning, so I was working on that for a while. But now I have to get myself motivated to clean this house. So I'll show you what I need to do today, and then we're gonna get the job done because it feels pretty overwhelming right now, and I know it will be more fun to do if I take you guys along. Okay, obviously, I still need to make my bed, and Miss Madison needs to clean her room today. So here's the before. She's just so motivated. I just need to wipe down the bathroom counters, clean the bathroom a little bit, but this is not too bad. And I have some laundry to do. Actually, this is clean now, so I just have to put it in the dryer and then I'll fold and put that away as well. I need to tidy up our entryway here, just put away some of these items. The living room is not too bad, but I do definitely need to vacuum most of the rooms in the house today if I can manage it. Dining room has some items that need to be put away. There's all of our pizza boxes from last night that we need to throw out. And this is where it gets serious. Here we go. Into the kitchen. All right, so these dishes still need to be put away. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, this cabinet door fell off. We ordered a new one. It's like cracked and broken. That's annoying. And here we go. All of these dishes, there's the icing that they made. Yeah, still out, still sitting there. I was so excited for the cake, but I don't know if it was worth the cleanup that I have to do right now. Here's what's left over of it. It was delicious. Here is my recipe book still out. And I guess it's not like as bad as I really thought it was, but this is the part that's stressing me out. So probably this is what I should start with. That feels better. All the dishes are clean. I have the dishwasher loaded and running and wiped down all the counters, so we're good in here. Just as a side note, the kids did offer to do all of the dishes, but they have to do schoolwork first this morning, and I'm just too impatient for that. I can't look at it all day and wait for them to do it. So what I'm going to do, sorry, they're playing with toys back there. So what I'm going to do is let them put everything away once it's dry. So here is what the kitchen looks like now. Way better. I actually have a couple of bottles of wine that I got for my birthday. So I need to put them away in the basement. Just show you. This is 19 Crimes. And I think somebody was telling me there's an app for this where, like, if you scan the bottle, there's some kind of like a story about a crime, and I don't know if it has to do with, like, this is blank here. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a try later. That was interesting to me. And then I got this bottle, which is Duckhorn Merlot. So I'm gonna put them in the basement where it's nice and cold. And actually, I'm gonna bring you guys down with me so I can show you. I told you guys yesterday about how my treadmill is in the basement, and it's really not the best location. And I just want to show you what it's like down there. Okay, here's our basement stairs. This is the one project that I have been putting off for years and years, and I swore when Madison went to kindergarten I would work on the basement, and it just never happened. So let me just put my bottles of wine down here for a minute. This is like so embarrassing, but I've showed you my basement before, I think. Okay, so here's Jack Skellington. Here's a bunch of decorations for random Christmas. I don't even know, it's not even organized right now. Here's where we keep all of our wood, which is one of the main reasons that it's really hard to keep things neat and tidy down here, because we have the headless horseman here. We have like a big wood burning furnace on that side of the room. And here's the treadmill. Looks like a beautiful spot to work out, doesn't it? Yeah. So still hoping that my husband's going to move it for me someday soon. I just got some happy mail. This just came in the mail. If you guys watched yesterday, I did this virtual race for my birthday. I did a 5K and I was really excited about that. If you've been following my vlogs, you know I signed up for a few of these races, and this was the most recent one that I ordered. Look at how cute this is. Winnie the Pooh, Braver Than You Believe 2020. And look at how cute this is. It has a little quote from Piglet. How do you spell love? Piglet. You don't spell it, you feel it, Pooh. And it has all these little cute pictures of Pooh and Piglet. I just thought it was really, really sweet. Okay, I tidied up downstairs, just put away the shoes and the boxes and the gift bags and just things that were laying around. I also scooped the cat litter. Didn't think you guys would want to see that. And now I need to water all of the indoor plants, and I also need to make my bed, clean the bathroom. What else? Vacuum. That's going to be the grand finale. I have to vacuum like pretty much the whole house, but I'm getting hungry already. So I think I'm just going to make the bed, wipe down the bathroom, and then get something to eat. I'm gonna take a quick lunch break now. I'm just having some chips, leftover sub from our picnic yesterday, and some water, and then I'll be back at my chores.
And I'm making ramen.
Madison is learning to use the stove, making some ramen noodles. It's one of my favorites, right? Even though it's not the healthiest. Definitely everyone in this family likes their ramen. Okay, so I just finished vacuuming. I walked the dogs. It's getting so humid out. It's about to rain like any second. But the day is going quick and I still have a lot on the agenda. I think I'm going to take another break though, because I have been working hard and those cupcakes just look too good to resist. So I think I'm going to have a little break. I've been eating really bad today. I did have oatmeal this morning. You guys didn't see my one healthy choice of the day. But yeah, I'm gonna have a snack break, and then I have a bunch of laundry to fold. I have some errands to run today. I have book club tonight, so I need to make something for that, and there's just like all these things going on in my head. So I'm not gonna film all of that stuff, but I have a lot more to do today, but I'm gonna take another quick break. Here's all of my beautiful birthday cards from last night. Aren't they pretty? Isn't that a pretty pink sparkly cupcake? And it's strawberry flavored. It's really, really yummy. Well, Madison tidied up her room the best that she knows how. We are going to be tackling this room sometime soon, right, Madison?
Yep.
We have a big plan, but today's not the day. But we will get to it. It's on the agenda. We have a lot of decluttering to do, as you guys can all see. And now, time to tackle the laundry. Okay, so I'm done folding all of the laundry, and I just realized there are no questions online for book clubs for the guest list. I guess because it's so new. This is the book that I chose for our book club this month, and since I am in charge of coming up with the questions, I'm stressing out right now because usually you can just do a Google search and get a whole bunch of questions that are specific to a book for book clubs, and I cannot find anything right now online. So one more thing that's added to the agenda for today. See if I can pull that off. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to see if I can come up with some questions for that, and then I have to figure out dinner. A friend of mine from here on YouTube named Bridget. Hi Bridget, thank you so much for this book. She sent me this Little Women cookbook for my birthday, and I'm going to try a recipe from it tonight. It's called Garden Pot Pie, and look at how good that looks. So I have all of these ingredients, and I am going to prep that for dinner tonight, and then I'm also going to make mini quiches for our book club. So I have some serious cooking to get done, but I think this looks really delicious, and there are so many really good recipes in this book, so I'm excited to try some of them out. Look at that mac and cheese. Doesn't that look good too? Okay, I'm gonna get to cooking. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's vlog. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me just as I cleaned up the house, got things back in order. I feel much better that the house is clean, the floors are vacuumed, and the bathrooms are clean, and all of that good stuff. So that's good. Tomorrow we are headed to our lake house, so I'm excited for that, which is also why I just want to make sure that I get everything done here, because it's always nice to come home to a clean house. So we're going to be headed off to the lake tomorrow, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my vlog today. Thank you so much for making it till the end. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know that you watched the entire thing, and thank you. I appreciate that. Make sure that you're subscribed and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I share a new and fun video. I hope that you're all doing well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.